in the book of Haggai in chapter 1, verses 5 and 6. Makikita natin dito ang malaking kabalintunaan na nangyari sa bayan ng Israel. At ang nangyari sa bayan ng Israel ay nangyayari din sa ating bansa at nangyayari sa maraming mga bansa sa mundong ito. Look at there in the book of Haggai, chapter 1, verses 5 and 6. This is what the Lord of Heaven's army says. Look at what's happening to you. You have planted much, but harvest little. You eat, but are not satisfied. You drink, but are still thirsty. You put on clothes, but cannot keep warm. Your wages disappear as though you were putting them in pockets filled with holes. What an irony. Nagtatanim pero hindi umaani. Kumakain pero hindi nasisiyahan. Umiinom subalit nauuhaw pa rin. Nagsusuot ng damit subalit nilalamig. Tayo ay hanap ng buhay. Tayo ay nagsusumikap na kumita ng maayos, subalit para tayong naguhulog sa isang butas na lalagyan. And here in the Philippines, it is made worse and exacerbated by systemic corruption. But God wants us to know Him. If ever there is one knowledge that must constantly increase, if ever there is someone we must seek to know, it's none other than our God who created us in His image and in His likeness. Like Hosea said, "Oh, that I might know the Lord. Let us press on to know Him." I want you to know that God has been wanting that you know Him. Ito ang laging ipinipilit ng Diyos sa atin, mga kaibigan, mga panauhin, mga minamahal kong mga kababayan. Gusto ng Diyos, nais ng Diyos na atin siyang makilala.